Hey everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director at Sephora, and in this video, we are gonna go over a really amazing ingredient that many of you are probably familiar with hearing, but might not know what it is. It's retinol. Retinol it's like the grade A king of the world ingredient when it comes to great skin. It is such a fantastic ingredient. This is why we're seeing it in so much skincare. And what it is can be a little confusing. And also navigating which products are best for you, especially in such a large landscape of skincare, can be very overwhelming. I know it because even for me, when I walk into Sephora, I see so many things. I'm like, I want that, I want that, I want that. It's about choosing the right one for you and what your concerns are. So in this video, my goal is to educate you on what retinol is, give you a better understanding of it, and also help guide you to which product may be best that contains retinol for whatever issue or concern you're really looking to address. So first off, what is retinol? Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. Vitamin A is a key nutrient in our body. We need it, we use it. And when applied topically, retinol has the capability to really help your skin promote cellular renewal. That might not mean a lot to you when I say that. So I'm gonna give you a little visual that I like to use. So your skin is layers, right? So our top layer will be on top, and that's what we see. And then it has many layers as it goes down to where it gets to where we're sort of our factory of new skin cells. This is where those great young baby skin cells are formed. Now, in order for this to get up to here, this all has to move. This top layer has to sort of die, sadly, but get rid of it, move it away, skim it off, and push this up like a conveyor belt. So this is what our skin does. It constantly is pushing up new, fresh skin. When we're young, that process is fast, daily. You are getting new skin, baby skin up there. That's why our skin looks so great when we're young. But as we age, and by age I mean starting like late teens to early 20s, that process begins a slowing down. So that's why we start to see damage, all the signs of aging, all the things that can come from sun exposure, from environmental damage. It takes longer to get rid of those top layers. So what retinol does is it has the capability to really help your skin boost that process back to a speedier momentum that's gonna help us get better skin to the surface faster. So this is an ingredient that really works to alleviate the signs of fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, all the issues that make for really beautiful skin. It helps to sort of boost that skin to like its perfect state. So this is why this is such a key ingredient in skincare, and this is why it's so well received by anybody who's used it. Now, when it comes to finding a product to use, so I love retinol. I just think everyone should use it. You should at least try it out because it's great. But how do you find which product to use? Because some of these brands have different ingredients in there, which is really great because it helps to target certain things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over some great products, and I'm gonna talk to you about how these products could potentially not only give you the benefits of retinol, but also maybe address a specific concern in your skincare that you're looking to address. So we're gonna jump right in, and the first product we're gonna talk about is from Sunday Riley, and this is the A+ high-dose retinoid serum. Now, this is a very lightweight, really, really silky and beautiful texture serum that contains a really great retinol complex. So again, you're gonna get all that great cellular renewal help. It's really gonna bring about that boost to your skin's process of renewing itself. And what this also has in it is a botanical extract alternative to retinol. So it's got a complex of botanical ingredients that mimic that same function. So you're getting both the retinol as well as a more botanical, herbal, natural formula to really boost about your skin's function of looking better. And this is really great for that person who is looking for clarity. They just want really great clarity to their skin. So for me, I think this is a fantastic product to just give you that all-around beautiful benefit to your skin and really boost your skin's clarity. And if you've tried any of Sunday Riley's products, you know that they're really effective and they're also really powerful yet gentle. And I think you're going to see that with a lot of these products we go through. So really feel comfortable and confident in using this product. So up next, we have a product that's going to be, I would say, really good for the person who's looking for a more youthful, smoother complexion, which is me. That's kind of what I want. So this is from Drunk Elephant, and this is the A-PASSIONI. I gotta say it in an Italian accent. My Italian heritage comes out. I don't think it has anything to do with Italian, but I say it that way. It's the A-PASSIONI Retinol Cream. This is a really interesting cream. I think that the way that they have incorporated a retinol complex in here that is really powerful and really good, but they've also added into this a triple peptide blend. So the triple peptide blend actually works to boost your retinol in here. So this is where you're getting ingredients coming together in a great way. I highly recommend trying this. It's a great way to incorporate retinol into your skincare, especially if you want that more youthful appearance, which who doesn't? I do all the time anyway. So the next product is a really interesting one. And this one is, I'm gonna say, I kind of chose it. It's good for anybody. I chose it especially for those people who are looking for something to address a little bit of redness. So retinol is an active ingredient, and sometimes, especially if you are prone to redness or sensitivity, retinols, you might want to test them first, do like test patches, maybe do like one night trying it, one night not trying it, because if you're sensitive like me, you got to find the right one that's going to work for you. And what Peter Thomas Roth did with their Green Relief Therapeutic Sleep Cream is they have a really, really cool and innovative product here. So they've taken a group of ingredients directed towards a couple of things. So one, it's a night cream, sleep cream. So obviously it's night. So they have in here a extract from cannabis, a hemp-derived extract from cannabis sativa, and it's an oil. And this is a very antioxidant-rich, nourishing oil. So this is already gonna boost your skin's nourishment. Then you add in the retinol to it, so you're getting that great cellular renewal boost and help in that aspect to your skin. Then they've taken some colloidal oatmeal and added it in here. Now, many of you probably know about colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal. I always say colloidal. It's just me. It's colloidal. I want to add the I in there. It's the Italian in me, I think. Colloidal oatmeal. It's really great and has been used forever when it comes to mild skin irritations, redness, things that may come from itching or irritation. So it's a great reliever to the skin, soothing, calming, nurturing. So it's great overnight while your skin is in its reparative mode to really repair anything that's causing that redness. So another final great thing that they've added in here is melatonin, and it's a topical melatonin. Now, many of you are probably familiar with melatonin. It's a natural hormone in our body. It promotes sleep. It helps us get on that circadian rhythm. In a topical formula, it can also help your skin kind of find its own circadian rhythm of sleep, which is really important. We know at night when we're sleeping, our skin goes into its own reparative state. And that's essential for our skin to find the time to heal itself, to fix itself, to protect itself. So by applying this topical melatonin in here, it can help boost your skin's ability to find that reparative state. And that's a great additive. And I think when you take all of these ingredients and put them together in a fantastic night cream, you have a really powerful way to overnight treat your skin to a little luxury because it feels really great and really boost a lot of the concerns that you may have, including helping to reduce any redness or irritation or anything like that. This is a really great product, and I think you're going to be hearing a lot of really good results and a lot of happy people who have used this. Very good, very smart. So up next, this is for the eyes. And the eyes is a very important area when it comes to retinol. I will say pretty securely and confidently, for the most part, any product that is for the face with retinol, you probably cannot use it near the eye. Most likely it will say it on the packaging. It will say it somewhere, do not use around the eye area. Retinol is an active ingredient. And you just don't want to put an active ingredient near your eye unless it's designated to go there, unless, the brand has found that it is safe to use around the eye. So here from Dr. Dennis Gross, we have the FERULIC and Retinol Triple Correction Eye Serum. Now, this is a fantastic, safe for the eye. It's an eye serum. And what it has is it has a retinol that is, again, safe for your eye because look, this is the area right here that we get most of the signs of aging. It's thin skin, it's easily damaged. It's just, just by tugging and pulling on it, we can start to cause damage to this. So it's great to have a retinol option dedicated to that eye area. And what he has done so brilliantly is it's called triple correction because it really deals with the three big issues, right? You got fine lines and wrinkles, you've got darkness, and you've got puffiness, darkness being dark circles. So what he has done is he's got the retinol. Now that retinol, we know, boosts that cellular renewal. It helps your skin sort of bring about that younger, fresher skin cells to the surface so you look better. And that can really help with a lot of those fine lines and wrinkles. So then he's taken the licorice root extract in here, which is a great ingredient which can really help with puffiness. It's great at helping with alleviate signs of darkness. So we're kind of combating two issues with this one powerful licorice root extract ingredient. And then there's also caffeine in here. Now, you might have seen caffeine in quite a few eye products. It's a great addition to any eye cream, eye serum, because caffeine, the same way that it sort of like jolts us, right? You get a cup of coffee and you're like, boom, I'm ready to go. You also, when it comes to caffeine and you're putting it on your skin, it kind of can help your skin get a visible sort of tightness and firmness, right? So it's a great way to really a whole approach to all the issues you may have with your eye. You get it in one really lightweight, fantastically effective serum. I know so many people who are in love with this product. I have used it in the past and been like, wow. Once we started bringing this out, I was like going, oh, I think I need to bring this one out again because she's seeing the signs around the eyes sometimes. But I got to tell you, in all honesty, really fantastic ingredient story, really great put together and easy to use, really, really safe and gentle. Anyone can benefit from this. And like I said, when it comes to the eyes, you gotta be sure you're using something that is retinol safe for around the eyes. Don't just use your general products. Really read, guys, because you don't want to mess with your eyes. It's not an area you want to mess with. Okay, so up next, this is something that I would say is great for the person who just wants to sort of focus on a great skin tone, right? You want that beautiful, even skin tone. So here we have Murad, and this is the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. So what is so great about this one is that, one, it's a lightweight serum, so it's great for any skin type. Anyone can use this. And this is a powerful retinol complex, which can really help to boost that cellular renewal. When it comes to darkness and skin tone and stuff like that, the more that your skin can turn itself over and bring fresher skin to the surface, the more that it can help alleviate those signs of darkness or uneven skin tone. So when you have a product that really focuses on that, it's a great way to incorporate and get beautiful, even skin tone without a heavy overnight product or something like that. This is something you can really incorporate into any skincare routine. So definitely a great one if you're looking for tone and just a general evenness in addition to those great retinol benefits. So this is a fantastic product. Now, finally, the last product that's up here, I chose this one for the person who might be looking for brightening in their skin. So Brightening is something that I think is pretty common. It doesn't necessarily mean lightening. It's more about brightening the skin, just having that bright, youthful appearance to your skin. So this is the Kate Somerville, and this is the Plus Retinol Vita C Power Serum. So what Kate has done that's very interesting here is taken a great retinol complex, which is, again, we're getting that help to that function of cellular renewal, which we know is so good for the skin, but also added in a really potent form of vitamin C. L-ascorbic acid. This is a pure, potent form of vitamin C. Now, vitamin C, you guys have probably heard me say this before. Think of it as your BLT sandwich, your brightens, lightens, and tightens, okay? So that's the easiest way to think of what vitamin C does. So you're taking that great retinol capability of that help to the cellular renewal, bringing about fresher skin cell, and then you're adding a vitamin C on it. So you're nourishing those newer skin cells with that brightening and lightening and tightening help. So you're really getting a nice combo platter to make sure your skin is not only showing those beautiful signs of the anti-aging, but also getting a beautiful brightening effect to the skin. And it really can help do that for you. And I think that this is a great one because vitamin C is also another powerhouse ingredient. And when you add that to the retinol, you just have a really nice pairing of two really strong anti-aging, beautifying ingredients. Very, very, very good and lightweight also. In fact, most of these are really lightweight serums. The overnight cream is actually a cream, but overall, I would say most of these are good for everyone from dry to oily skin. If you're sensitive skin, I will say this just because I have reactive skin, it can be a little sensitive too. Retinol is an active ingredient. It is. It doesn't matter what dosage it is, it's an active ingredient. Test it. That's my safest thing. I say test it, try a little bit on the arm. That's a safe way to test active ingredients. And the crook of the arm here is a good area that kind of mimics the skin on our face in terms of sensitivity. Or try it at night. Try it maybe one night on, one night off. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this was really helpful. Hopefully I helped to demystify retinol a little bit, giving you a little guidance on maybe how to navigate skincare and say, hey, I want retinol, but I also want this. Because I love a combo platter. Give it to me all. Give me as much as you can in one ingredient and one product, and I will take it all. So if you're the same way, hopefully this helped you sort of like find your path and which one's gonna be best for you. If any of these products you use them or you're interested about them, let me know in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. If you have any, great reviews, you're like, yes, I've tried this and it's so good. Leave it in the comment section below. I think that's great for all of us to hear from each other. Hey, I tried this. This worked really good for me. So don't forget to do that. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys can get new videos from us every single week. And until next time, try out some retinol. I think everyone can use it. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.